Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to replace multiple pages in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this page thumbnail option, this icon, and click on this page, and now click this page layout option, and here you will find this replace option. Click here replace and select your page range. I will replace only first page and replace with page number 1, 2, 3. Now select browse option and select your pages which on your green side. I'll insert this one and select open. Now select replace and see this. This first one now replaces, and see this. In this way you can replace any of your pages, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.